Okay, so MuscleNation Casein Custard review. We have a completely new flavour. Now, anyone who knows me knows I'm absolutely obsessed with cheesecake. Cheesecake Factory is pretty much life. Oreo Extreme Cheesecake, shout out. But today we have got the Strawberry Cheesecake MuscleNation Custard Protein. So we are going to do a little trial of this, see what it tastes like. So if any of you watched my previous videos of this, you know I made an absolute mess of trying to make the custard. So for myself, I use 4 scoops because I want 50 grams of protein. And that is around 10 grams of carbohydrates. And it's casein protein, so it's slow digesting. Now, when would I use the casein custard? I would use this product pre-bed because it's slow digesting and it's low in carbohydrates. Now, in terms of water, what we want to do is use cold water, Exhibit A, and then mix in a bit. Go for about 300-400 ml probably. But I'd start the least, start to mix it. From the initial powder in my hand that I tasted, I have a feeling this could be very exciting. I think it might bring back some childhood memories, and I'm going to tell you of what in a second. And he's underdone the water. There we go. Give it a decent stir, it'll start thickening up. There we go. Bish bash bosh. It even smells what I thought it would taste like. So, that is one MuscleNation Casein Strawberry Cheesecake. Mixed, prepared, ready to rock and roll. So we're going to go for the taste test. And it tastes exactly like strawberry Nesquik. So that's what it smelled like and what it tasted like on my hand. Was childhood memories of strawberry Nesquik. As you can see from the consistency, super thick. It tastes like me being 14 again, and tastes phenomenally good. So this, high in protein, low in carbohydrates, great protein snack, something different than having to have whey shake or meals in terms of meat. So I'd highly recommend that. Strawberry cheesecake, that is probably my favourite flavour now, alongside the vanilla. So vanilla, I'm a big custard fan, so custard in actual custard flavour, so that's what that tastes like. Vanilla and strawberry, these are probably my 2 flavours that I like the most. If you guys want to get any of this, use code Charlie, it'll give you 10% off on the site. Link is below, and get trying. Some additions of things that I like to add into this personally. I like to add frozen berries, I think go really, really well. So with this, for example, strawberry cheesecake, I'd recommend probably trying frozen raspberries would be my go-to. Let me know what you guys think of the casein custard. Let me know what your favourite flavours are. Comment below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.